How to fix unusual activity detects on ElevenLabs. Hello everyone, in this video I am gonna show you how you can fix unusual activity detects on ElevenLabs. To fix the issue, first open ElevenLabs.io. After that, try to generate a voice. And if you see this error message, unusual activity detect, that means you are restricted, your IP is restricted. So how you can fix this? So I am gonna show you two methods. So let's follow the step. So first go to the top left corner and then click on the lock icon. Now you will see this pop up and you can see permission, connection, and go to the cookie and site data. Click on cookies. Now you will see all of the cookies. Now just click on the link and then click on remove. Again click on remove. Select remove. After that click on done. Now refresh the page and you have to sign in again. So let's click on sign in. After that enter the script and then click on generate speech. Now if you see this type of error message again, then click on the cross icon. Now let's see the second step. So for the second step you have to install a VPN. You can use free VPN like Windscribe or CyberGhost VPN or any other VPN. So I am gonna use NordVPN. So first connect the VPN. After that just wait 1 to 5 seconds and then click on generate speech.
Across all models you'll see smaller bezels,
and there you go. That's how you can fix the issue. So if you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.